Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add heading and subheading in Elementor, right? As you can see right now I'm just editing one of my web page of my website using Elementor, right? And here we are having a plus icon in the middle of the screen which we can use to create a new section. So I'm going to click on that, and here it is asking me about the layout, whether I want flex box or whether I want grid, right? So here we are going to select the flex box as of now. You can also select grid as per your requirement, and in the structure we are going to select the one direction column. Okay, so we have selected that. Now what we need to do is, like, we need to just simply search for the heading widget. For that you just need to move your cursor on the top black header, right? And here there is a plus icon. You just need to click on that to add element, and here in the widgets you need to search for heading. So I have just simply searched for heading, and I'm just like dragging and going to drop this heading widget in that particular section, right? So I have just simply moved my heading and just simply dropped the heading in the particular section, right? Now I just want to change the content of this heading. So for that, in the left side toolbar there are three kinds of setting: content setting, style setting, and advanced setting. I am into the content setting as of now, and in the heading title I am just entering the heading title as digital marketing course. Right now, if we want to add the paragraph text under this heading, right, so for that again you need to move your cursor over the black header line, and here you need to click on add element plus icon, and then you need to search for text widget, right? And you can simply use the text editor, and you can simply drag this text editor widget and drop into that particular section, right, in the downward. So as you can see, a pink line is over there displaying whether, like, if we drop our text editor over there, then where this text editor would be shown, right? If you move your cursor a little bit upwards to the heading, then your text editor would be placed in the upward of your heading, right? So right now we just want paragraph to be downward under the heading, right? So we have simply moved our cursor over there, and we are going to drop this paragraph over here. So as you can see here, you can simply type whatever the text you want, right? And now I just want to add a subheading, right? So for adding subheading, again I'm going to move my cursor to the black header line, right? And here you will find an add element plus icon, and you just need to click on that, and in the widgets you just need to search for heading again, and as you can see the heading widget is over there. You just need to drag and drop this heading widget under your paragraph. So I am simply dragged, and as you can see again pink line is getting displayed telling me where the heading would be displayed if I drop my heading over there, right? So I have simply dropped the heading widget under my paragraph, and now I'm just going to edit this heading, right? So to edit this heading, again you can either click on the pen icon in the top right corner of this heading. So I have clicked on that, and in the left side toolbar, as you can see, the content settings, the style setting, and the advanced setting. You just need to go to the content settings, right? And here in the HTML tag you can simply change the heading size, like whether you want h4 heading or whether you want h5 heading or h3 or whatever as per your requirement. So this is how you can add heading and subheading in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have added my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you're interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.